I'm here with another hair video. Since I just washed my hair, I thought it would be a good idea to show you guys how I do my night routine on Saturdays. Basically what I like to do is use curl formers to stretch my hair, and then I would go ahead and wait for it to dry, air dry, or I would use the hooded dryer, which I'm going to use the hooded dryer tonight because I want to make my hair sleek and nice and shiny. So I think the heat will actually be really good for my hair. My hair is stretched on Sunday. The next day, so Sunday night, I would do a protective style and then leave that for the week of work. So we're going to get into this video. But right before I get into this video, I want to shout out my boy, Cell Beats, who makes amazing beats and also is the beat of my introduction in this video. So if you guys want to check out his beats, check out his songs, please do so. I will leave his link in the description below. He also has a YouTube channel filled with all his amazing beats. So please check your boy out. So yeah, let's get started with this video. Let's go! Alright, so I'm setting up my music right now and getting everything ready and dancing before I start this process because it takes a long time and I get bored really fast. So yeah, I gotta set up my music. So now, look at my crazy hair. I got 4 different parts. That's how I do it in the shower so that it doesn't get tangled. And I like to start in the back. So first I'm going to use my leave-in conditioner that I made and put that all over that section. And basically piece by piece, I'll be detangling it and putting oil on each piece. So the oil that I use is a mixture of different oils: Moroccan oil, argan oil, mixed with the almond oil, coconut oil, all kind of stuff. And I'm here being annoying. So I make sure to detangle it really good. The smoother it is in the curl former, the better it is. So make sure it's really smooth, and I'm using my Denman brush to get through those curls. And I twist it at the root and hook it onto my hair, then push down and pull the stick up. It's a little bit tricky, but once you get used to it, it gets really, really easy, and you just do it really fast. I think I can do this in like 20 seconds now, or 20 minutes, I should say. So I've gotten so used to it, especially when you got some entertainment like me. Obviously, I'm having a lot of fun just listening to music. So basically, just repeat this process. Brush through the hair with some leave-in conditioner and put the oil on. Hook the stick onto your hair after you've twisted it. Then you just pull and the stick comes off. It's so easy once you, I guess it's more intimidating than it actually is. It looks very intimidating, but it really isn't. So same thing, detangling. And also a good tip is make sure that you have the curl on the hook already, on the stick. That way you don't have to do as I'm doing, holding it. So then it stays smooth. Twist it, hook it on, pull it, and you're done. Sure, there's a better way to explain it, but yeah, that's as easy as I can explain it. So a lot of people tell me, hey, do my hair, and I'm like, sure, I can do it. I like to explain it, but I really can't explain it. It's better to show it or have them do it while you're there. That way it's easier. But that's why YouTube is so great. I learned from other YouTubers how to do these curl formers. I don't know if anybody else uses them. I still use them. I think they're so helpful. I don't blow dry my hair. I don't use heat in my hair, except when I'm doing the hooded dryer. But this is so amazing. Like, you can literally stay with this overnight and it dries on its own and it still looks beautiful. Like, you don't have to use any heat. It's great. The only thing is that it is time consuming because you do have to wait basically a whole night in order to do a beautiful hairstyle. So if you do want it to be faster, you can definitely use a hooded dryer. I think about an hour and it's, you have your style. Alright, so I'm finally done. All the curls are in, and now I'm about to head under the dryer. And I set my dryer for about 30 minutes, but I think it probably takes an hour and a half. I just absolutely hate being under the dryer, so I didn't stay that long, since I'm going to be doing a twist out anyway, so it didn't really matter. So let's see if they're dry. Hmm. It's not completely dry, but you can see it's pretty stretched and soft. So I'm going to proceed and take them all out. They're not completely dry, so I probably need to stay in an hour, but I'm not staying for an hour. So we're just going to do a twist out. I think it's good enough to do a twist out. It's fine. So let's do it. Taking these out is so incredibly easy. You just pull it out. I suggest you just pull them out really slowly because sometimes your hair could get snagged based on how you did it. So just pull really slowly and it comes out easily. As you can see, my hair is a little bit puffy, but still turned out good. Okay, so this is my hair, big and puffy, and some of them are really dry, like the back got really dry. And you can see how this is how my hair is, pretty much stretched. I'm going to find Boba. The back of my hair is the longest part. I'm going. You won't make it home before I'm going. There's nothing you can do to stop me. Alright, so I did a part off camera, so I'm going to start sectioning my hair off to do the twisting. So now I'm just brushing my hair with a denim brush. I'm not adding anything because my hair is really moisturized, soft. I'm not adding a thing until I get to the ends of my hair. I'm not even adding gel. I don't want it to be like hardened or whatever. So it's going to be like this. This could be a big mistake. Who knows? But I guess we'll see tomorrow how my hair turns out. Most of the time I don't put anything in my hair. I leave it like this because I like it soft. Tomorrow it's going to be raining. So when you're a naturalista, you have to always look at the weather and see, because you could have a beautiful style and the humidity sets in and it's not so beautiful after a few hours, especially with hair like mine that loves moisture. It just shrinks, okay, like nothing else. Like if I know I was going somewhere to do my hair, like let's say I was going to a wedding Sunday night or something like that, I would definitely put gel in my hair while I'm doing this. So at least the curls could stay, a while. Okay, I'm actually going to take this part too because I like to do them at the same time. So basically in this part, I braid at the roots of my hair and then I start to twist going downwards. For the rest of my hair, I'll be doing a flat twist. So I kind of want the curls to look alike. But at the same time, I want the back of my hair, which is typically the longest part of my hair, to look stretched out and to be more hanging on my back. So I like to braid it first, which elongates the hair. And then to get that curl, I do halfway, I do the twist. That's just how I like to do my hair. Much faster way to do my hair because normally I let it stay throughout the night, the curls, and so it dries up overnight, air drying without any heat. And I honestly don't think it comes out as good depending without that heat. So whatever, but it dries much faster. So I only stayed about 40 minutes into the dryer and I'm already rebraiding my hair for a different style. So this is a really fast thing to do. If you want to do styling with those beautiful curls, you can do that. I would suggest probably putting some gel, because if you want to do it that way for a style, it won't stay. It's very soft with just conditioner and oil, so you probably would need some gel to keep the style in. But that's about it. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my hair with these, and that's basically it. That is the hair. So I'd usually just sleep in a satin bonnet, and that would basically be it for my nighttime routine. And tomorrow I just take it out and look cute. So thanks so much for staying tuned and watching my nighttime routine. I'll see you in the next one. Love ya. Bye.